welcome back to my channel. Today I am heading with my mom to a few different Dollar Generals, and I figured I'd bring you guys along with me to film a shop with me. You guys really enjoyed this last time, so I figured why not bring you guys along again. We're gonna hit up a few different ones, and I am just going to film the differences in each one so you guys don't see a lot of repeats. Also, make sure you stick around for a haul after. But with that being said, we're just gonna go ahead and get right into shopping. Okay, so I don't plan on doing too many voiceovers in this video. I'm just going to hop on here and there, but other than that, I'm just going to let you guys watch and see what they have. They have a ton of great stuff, and Dollar General is truly so inexpensive. It's such a great place to go and try to find decor. It's right up there with the Target dollar spot, in my opinion. I love everything that I find, and it's just like the Target dollar spot where you kind of have to hunt for things, but that makes it fun. So let's just see what they have.
If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go. I've been so selfish and made you believe that you're not good enough, but you're all I need. I'd take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go.
Does anybody else get such hearth and hand vibes from that little enamel sign back there?
Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go.
This California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot and he has the same effect on me. It's just something about the way that he's making me feel. My insides are out, I just wanna shout his name. My body's giving up on me, 'cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but I'm trying not to stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way My hands are shaking from the urge of being with him. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip of myself. My body's giving up on me, 'cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but don't stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hit him even if
You guys, I was highly impressed with these throw rugs. Only $6. Great quality. This gray one here, I got basically the same one from Hobby Lobby for like $20. Regretting that buy.
I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way. This California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot, and he has the same effect on me. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip on myself. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hit him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way. Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss.
I'm also regretting not getting this little basket. It's so cute and so inexpensive. They actually have like a whole line of this little wicker basket stuff here. There was this, a round one, and a caddy.
Even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're the rising. You're the rising. I'm a butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're the rising. You're the rising. And let me tell you what I found. Leaving everything behind, knowing there is more in life that I want. Now I wanna embrace life, you and I side by side, knowing there is more in life that I want.
Whenever I watch back these shopping videos, I always regret not buying things. Here's another item. I really wish I got this calendar, and if I see it in the future, I definitely will. I've been looking for one for our kitchen, and I mean, I haven't really been looking for one, but I just like decided that it would be a good idea to keep all of our stuff in one place where everyone can see it. So I'm regretting not getting that because it's so cute.
And when I'm with you, I go higher.
shopping, I'm gonna share with you guys my haul. Okay. First thing I have to share with you guys is this little faux plant here. This was only $15, which in my opinion is such a steal because anytime I find faux plants that are this size, they're like closer to $75. So I thought that was such a steal. And then to go with it, I actually picked up this little decorative basket, and I thought that this just looked so cute placed in there like that. I know you guys can't really see like the whole get up, but this little decorative basket was only $8, and I actually have the larger size of the same basket. I love this basket. So I thought that looked super cute, and I'm excited to decorate with this in some of my upcoming summer decorate with me's. So make sure you guys press that subscribe button and stick around because I am gonna have a lot of decorate with me videos coming up very soon. Are you copying what I'm saying? Brayden's sitting next to me and copying everything I say. You think you're funny? I also picked up this little chalkboard menu board. I thought this was super cute and I've been looking for something like this. I do wish it was a little bit larger, but I think this will work just as well. This was $3. And then I picked up this cute reversible sign. This is like perfect for tier trays. The one side says, "What's cooking?" And then the other side says, "Let's eat." So perfect for a kitchen tier tray or just a tray or decor in general. Only $2. And this is thick and like good quality too. I picked up this little God Bless America truck for my 4th decor. This was only $1. There's a few different varieties of this as well. Thought that was super cute and great price. You're crazy. I picked up quite a few different florals. So first I got four of this. I don't know what this is. I want to say eucalyptus. My 4-year-old, you guys. My mom actually has a ton of these though around her house, and I love the way they look, so I picked up 4. I think that's all I found, or else I would have picked up more. They were $2 a piece, and just a great quality. Like seriously, this is something I would buy at Hobby Lobby or Target for a lot more. And then I got just this one lemon pick. This is very long. I do wish that they had a few more of these as well, but this is the only one I could find. This was $3. Wow, I hope that isn't like super distracting to you guys because it is super distracting to me. I'm talking about you being distracting. Perfect for the summer decor though. And even though I only got the one, I think it would mix in perfectly with like this eucalyptus and stuff as well. Can definitely make it work, and hopefully I'll find more as I continue to Dollar General shop. Okay, this is not Dollar General, but Dollar Tree. I just wanted to share it to you guys while I'm talking about the greenery. Look at how realistic these look from Dollar Tree. I think these are beautiful. I picked up 4 of them, and they just have such a pretty little little yellow pop, which I think will go perfect with my lemon decor. I also picked up these little lemon measuring cups. I looked at these last time I went to Dollar General, and so this time I decided to pick them up. It's a set of 4 for $5. Again, perfect for a tier tray or the hutch even. So many ways to decorate with them. I then got this wreath hanger. I thought this is just so adorable. I usually, you know, just have the plain ones, and I love that this just has the little extra touch to it. It just says, "Let's stay home, my life, I'm such a homebody," and this was $3. I grabbed a few different candles. So the first one being this citrus zest. I just love the jar on this. It reminds me of like milk glass, but obviously not the milky color. But this is just super pretty. You can use this for a jar after. Smells pretty good too. I can't like smell citrusy, but like a calm citrusy. I'm so horrible at scents, but smells good. Okay, then I also got this lemon parsley scented candle. Looks like this, just perfect for my summer decor. I always try to get candles that match my decor. And then this one was $5 as well. No, this one was $5, this one was $4. I don't know if I said that.
$4 and this one $8.
This one smells almost like more florally. But it's definitely got like a lemon like pow in there, you know? Lastly, for candles, I picked up this True Living Welcome Home Soy Blended Scented Candle. This was also $5, I believe. And this is just a very neutral one. I figured one I can put out like now because I'm in need of one. This one, I'm so bad at scents. What does this smell like to you?
Ice cream.
Ice cream?
Yeah.
Brayden says it smells like ice cream. And I feel like it does have like kind of like a vanilla-y scent in there.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
It smells good though. I was so excited when I found this, and I wish I found more, but this was actually like tucked behind other decor. Like it almost looked like someone hid it. And I honestly think that I might have seen these before when I did my Dollar General shop with me, and I just didn't like really get drawn to it then. But this time I was so excited because I've been eyeballing something just like this on Decor Steals, which is a decor website that you order. They have like different steals every day, but they've had something like this and it was like $30, and I've been eyeballing it, and this was only $5. The only difference is theirs is on a pedestal and this one's not. And then Target, actually the Magnolia line, also has something like this. Theirs are more they're taller, and I want to say square, maybe round, I don't know. But again, for $5, I could just not pass this up. So many different ways to decorate with this. I wish I found a second one, but I was so happy to find this. I then picked up 2 of these baskets. These are just little hanging baskets. I have to decorate my porch, my front porch. You guys have been loving my back porch decorate with me. Thank you so much for all the love on that video, but I still have to do my front porch, and I picked these up thinking I could use them out there. They were $4.50 a piece. And then also thinking about my back patio area, which I also want to film. I'm honestly waiting because it's still really cold here, and since I did my back porch, my flowers are hanging on by thread. So I'm trying to wait until maybe like later in May. But I picked up this little jar. This was $3, and
Yay, baby! I love you, baby.
And then I got the tiki torch fuel to go with this, which was $6. And then I picked up a few extra little torch wick things. So I thought this was just cute, and my umbrella is like a blue color like this, so I plan on going somewhat with like the pops of blue, I guess, just to go with the umbrella. I don't know why I got a blue umbrella. I should have gotten a more neutral color, but I was thinking, oh, everything's neutral, let me get a pop of color. And now I'm like strongly regretting that decision, because I would have rather just had my pop of colors be in my pillows or something. But anyways, that is everything I got. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's shop with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul. I did not find what I was actually looking for, but I found some other goodies. So I am happy with everything I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you press that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!